Next, take a yellow color paper strip, roll it as shown in the video. Take another paper strip and stick it as shown. Now stick them together. Make its eyes and stick it. Now take a red color paper, cut out a small piece from it and make its mouth. And your duck is ready. Next, take a red color paper cup, cut it as shown in the video. Make a hole in between. Now take a water bottle cap, make a small hole in between and put a straw in it. Now stick it to the paper cup. Now put a rubber band inside it and fix the toothpicks on both the sides like this. Now we will stick the blue color papers on it and make the buttons. So here we are making a fan and your fan is ready. Next we will take a yellow color paper strip and stick the pink strips on it like this. Stick its eyes. Now roll the yellow paper and your snail is ready. Next, take a orange color paper and make the lines on it like this. Now make the cuts on the sides and then we will stick it like this in the between. Now take a earbud and put it in the between. Now fix a straw on the back side to make it stand and your windmill is ready. I hope you liked it.